Hello all. So today I want to just show how to constrain coincident in FreeCAD. So let's say I have this circle here. I'll dimension its diameter to say it's 80. So now I have that circle. Now I want to constrain it so that it's going to go right in the middle here. So to do that, I can go here, constrain coincident. So click that one, and click that point, and now it's constrained to the middle. That's constrained coincident. And I'll just Control Z that and escape because I want to show that you can also use the keyboard shortcut C. So now I just press C, click that, also constrained coincident. Anyways, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you tune in to future videos.